Beep.
It seems as if the creatures are leading others towards some sort of danger. One thing has been recognized. The Cannock Chase sightings are the only sightings that occur during the daytime. Whether these sightings are false or actually credible, we do not know. However, definitely one wants to stumble across a black-eyed child at any time of day. The disappearance of Aaron
the wildest sci-fi stuff you could
Go, we're all done.
Catch on Netflix.
We're all
I
done.
highly recommend digging into that.
We're all done.
80s classic Gattaca. This stars Ethan Hawke, Uma Thurman, and Jude Law, and was written by Andrew Niccol, who's most famous for writing The Truman Show. But this takes place in a future where your genetics determine your path in life. Ethan Hawke plays a genetically inferior man who wants to be an astronaut and needs to pull off a major deception. Keep in mind, this takes place in a future where they're judging everything by your genetics, and so to get around all the technology in this future requires quite a caper, and that's what this movie is. It's got futuristic aesthetic. Obviously, it's among the best sequels ever made. I'm not going to say it's the best, but it's up there in terms of sequels because it's a really good production, and it doesn't do the thing that sequels typically do where it rehashes the same story. It actually takes a lot of elements from the original Blade Runner and goes in a completely different direction with it. It all works fairly well. Now, the original from 1982, directed by Ridley Scott, is considered widely